Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Alex Builds. We've now got issue 98 of Hachette Partworks Build the Terminator. Okay, so there'll probably be two Terminator videos this week. There'll be this one, which is from last week, and I'll pick up issue 99 this week, and we'll probably have that one on Friday. So let me show you the parts we get and what we're doing. So in this one, we get this little box in here. Doesn't look like it contains a lot, but it does is quite a bit in here. So let me show you all the parts you should have in there. It's all of them. So we should have the parts for the shin, a part for the muscle part, and also another toe we can assemble as well. So as you can see, we start off by assembling another toe on the first page. Then we get to attach this part onto the part we made in the last issue. And yeah, that gets attached into this point here. We can attach that with this screw and this sleeve, just like so, and then we'll have that part and a toe, and we don't actually use this part in this issue. And then coming up next time, we get the front part that goes on top of the shin part. We get another one of these muscles, and we assemble another toe, and we also get a couple of details there as well. So I have seen up until issue 102, which is the start of the chest. So we actually finished the left leg on issue 101, which is awesome. We start the chest and start getting all the little pipes and everything on. So yeah, really looking forward to that. But for now, let's get these parts open and start building. Okay, so we've got the parts out of the packaging. As you can see, we're going to start off with these three parts here, start assembling this toe. So we're going to need these parts here. It does tell you to check the numbers on there. So this one's number 3, this one is number 3, and this one is number 3. So they're all number 3. So we're going to start by assembling this part. As before, that is going to go just onto there. And we're going to secure that one down with one of these little dowel pin parts here, a grub screw. So let's get this in. So you're going to need your Allen key for this, which I do have here. So let's get this one in. So start screwing that down. Just should have caught that by now. Yes, it has. So we can start getting that all the way through. Just like so. So that is that onto there. And make sure this one is actually straight, so we don't have to angle this one, which is awesome. And yeah, this one we want the shorter half go into here. Take one of your sleeves. It's going to slide down through there, through the next part as well. Good push. Make sure it goes all the way in. If you cannot get it in, use something to push it down. And then we're going to need 2 more of these pins off of here. So let's get them. 1, 2, 1, 2. So not got many of these left. We're halfway through them. Now let's take our pin and slide that down into there. Just like so. I'm going to use just my little knife I've got here just to make sure it goes fully in. Just like so. And then the other thing is to add the toe onto that. So let's slide that one in. Grab ourselves another sleeve. And again, another pin. Push that one down. And there we go. That is our third toe all assembled. So we can stick this with the other ones and then we can move on to assembling the parts for the leg. Okay, so we are going to need this part here, which we did assemble in issue 97, and we're also going to need this part here. So what we're going to do is we're going to attach these two together. This is going to be going on this side just here. So that's going to locate onto there, just like that. And to do that, we're going to use one of these sleeves, like this. Take one of these longer screws, drop that through the sleeve, through the hole up there, and then you can start screwing this on. Just hold that on there. Take our screwdriver and screw that down. Quite a long screw, so it will take a few seconds to get all the way down. There we are. So that's what you should have with that part there. And with that, that is all we have to do in this issue. So you should have this part here, This part here we don't do anything with. We get the front for this in the next issue. And our toe that we've made as well. So that's all, everything that you should have. And just a reminder, that's what's coming up next time. We get the front part for the shin, another one of these pipes, so the one for the opposite side. We get to assemble the fourth toe, and we get some details to add on there as well. So that'll be coming up probably Friday. So that is it, guys. That is issue 98 all complete, and issue 99 should be out on Friday. I'll be able to pick that up on Thursday, so I can film that Thursday night, have it out for you Friday morning or Friday afternoon sometime. So until then, guys, if you like this video, please leave a like down below, and if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all next time. Take care.